Good morning, this is Jack from Charting the Markets Crypto, and this is the pre-market webinar for the morning of Thursday, the 1st of May. My disclaimer, I do this for educational purposes only. I'm here to share my technical analysis with you. I hope you can take some of what I'm doing and learn from it, transfer it to your own charts. I'm not here to issue trading signals. Right, looking at Bitcoin. Bitcoin, we're seeing a nice move up this morning, and we are continuing the move to the upside. One of the reasons I'm thinking we may well see, that we will likely see more upside on the equities front is that we haven't reached our targets here, and I'm still expecting to reach them. On the daily chart, we've got through all the moving averages here. We've got a possible RSI 5 sell signal brewing, but there's no reason for to think at the moment that's going to fix. And we've got targets above at the minimum double bottom target, and this is a nice looking double bottom. The minimum target is at 101.5k, and the extended target is at 103.8. I'm expecting to hit that target range, and I'm not seeing anything compelling at the moment to suggest that we're not going to. Looking at Solana, we've got as soon as we retest this high, we'll probably have a possible daily RSI 5 sell signal brewing. But again, we've got targets above. I've got these targets up in about the 184 and 199 area. And while this is looking less bullish than anything we're seeing on Bitcoin at the moment, I'm still liking the upside. And this little move back here to backtest the daily middle band, that was not bearish. That was a bullish retracement. Looking at the hourly chart. We've got decent move up. Obviously, this isn't the IHS that I was initially looking at, but it's not a bad looking pattern. This could be not really. I'm liking the upside from here. It's a bit messier, and we don't have the very nice looking pattern that we've got on Bitcoin, but we should really reach a minimum of this target here in the 184 area, I think, and that's what I'm looking for. Looking at the Ethereum chart, this is actually showing a bit of signs of life. I was wondering if we'd just see a fail here. We've got a weak RSI 5 sell signal fixed on the daily. We've got a possible full-size RSI 5 sell signal brewing now. If we go up significantly higher, we may just fail the first signal and lose that divergence. We're trying to get over the 50 DMA, and it looks as though it's being successful in doing so. If so, I'm really liking a test of this declining resistance, which I've got in the 2150 area. How does that look on this chart here? Well, I've got this resistance level here and possible neckline in the 2100 area. I've got this declining resistance in the 2100 area. It's not a bad match with those. So I'm really liking that target on Ethereum, and I would like at minimum to see that. If we see it break up if we get to 2200 on Ethereum, then arguably it's breaking up from its bottoming patterns, although that doesn't mean it wouldn't come back and retest the low, which of course it still could. We will see. All right, great. In that case, I think that's a wrap. I think, right, why is Bitcoin going up on US dollar going up? I think because actually, if there are a lot of things which are traditional, for instance, you're looking at gold, and you're probably thinking of gold's, dollars going up and gold's going down. But if you see a strong trend, then you will see that reverse. I've seen gold go up with the dollar before. I've seen silver go up with the dollar because they had strong trends, or an alternative thing you can do in a strong trend is, let's say, gold just basically trades sideways while dollar is doing a rally, and when the dollar goes down again, then gold goes up. That's another thing which happens in strong trends. But I think it's an encouraging thing to see on Bitcoin at the moment, because it is suggesting that when the dollar goes down again, if it goes down again soon, then Bitcoin will start going up faster. But it's an encouraging sign of strength, and it's something that's not that uncommon. We're not seeing another instance of it right now because gold is retracing, but gold, of course, had gone up so much before this. Whereas Bitcoin really has been a bit battered over the last few weeks, and gold hasn't. So gold, really, I'd expect that to retrace here because it had a very strong trend, and that trend for the moment has ended. It may come back, but for the moment it's over. But that would be my take on that. All right, mate, no worries. In that case, I think that's a wrap. I will catch everyone tomorrow. All right, cheers, mate.